Hey there. So today I'm going to review this table which I bought for my work from home purpose, and I'm using this for the last 1 week. So let me crisply review this product. And I bought this product for from Bluemuno website. I mentioned that website link in the description box below. You can find there. So three things I had in my mind before purchasing this product actually. One is it should be foldable, second it should be spacious, and third it should be sturdy. And this table is phenomenal, guys, because no, the first one, the foldable nature of this table, it's so easy to fold and unfold this table. So, because of this, it won't occupy more space in our home, and that's the reason why I prefer the foldable table. And it works like a charm. Okay, it's absolutely a breeze of work. Second thing is the spaciousness of this table. Personally, when I check the space spec of many foldable table, this one has a really good spec as far as space is concerned, and it is really spacious, and we can easily place two 14-inch laptop. Personally, I do. It works, and it has a two rack kind of thing. So I usually place my headset, speaker and pen stand on the second rack. That's too foldable, by the way. If you don't want that, then you can fold it so you can have a little more space on the main table, you know. So space wise, it's really good. And the third one is the sturdiness, guys. Look into this, the thickness of this table. It's too good. Okay, no more bend, no more no fragile feel, and the frame is also very thick and strong, and that's the main reason. By the way, it's a little heavy, but I think it justifies. Okay, because it makes sure the sturdiness of this table. Now I place my laptop on it. It's a 14-inch laptop, so you can have an idea that if you're having more bigger size laptop, you can have an idea how useful it will be for you personally. Here I placed two of my laptops. One is on the rack and another one is on the main table. Sometimes I actually place both the laptop on the table and I do the work. But the problem is if you place both the laptop on the table, then you can't place the mouse pad on it. That's the only one constraint. But personally, I didn't feel any problem with that. If you are working with a single laptop, then possibly you won't have any problem with that either. And other than that, it's absolutely fine. If you're working with a one laptop and writing, no issue. And behind that there is a rack, as you see. I usually place my my charging port and headset and everything on that. So for a single laptop and a writing purpose, it's obviously very spacious, so you can have an idea now. So personally, it satisfies a lot. It's a phenomenal product personally for me. So it works like a charm. Very rigid, very sturdy table. We can use it for writing and typing per work and everything. So it's really good. And that's my review, guys. That's it. If you want anything else, please let me know in the comment section below. So I'm very much pleasure to answer your question as well. If you find this video useful, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much. See you in next video.